High-volume manufacturing of consumer products often requires manufacturers to increase their volumes over time while maintaining a reliable supply of product and minimize cost per part. Eclipse Automation has the experience and know-how to assist you in developing high-volume automated manufacturing solutions which will increase capacity, maximize uptime and reliability, maintain high quality and yield. End-to-end manufacturing often requires a wide range of automated equipment, requiring an automation integrator who can pull together a full solution. Eclipse Automation has experience in interfacing to new or existing packaging solutions, plastic injection molding, test systems. We understand the need to keep your manufacturing system operating at optimal efficiency. This is why Eclipse Automation offers service and support through all of our global locations. Eclipse headquarters in Ontario, Canada, Mesa, Arizona, Rock Hill, South Carolina, Munich, Germany, Veszprém, Hungary, Zurich, Switzerland, and Penang, Malaysia. Our expert team at Eclipse will exceed your expectations to deliver solutions that make your consumer product with style and efficiency. Let's chat about how we can design and build your future.